Hi friends, just now we have received the graphic tablet A15 from White company. Now we are unboxing this graphic tablet. So we are showing each and every part clearly. We have bought it from Amazon. See how nicely he has made it. And now we are opening this. Yeah, these are the gloves. So by using this, we need to put our hand on the pad. Yeah, this is the writing pad where we need to write the things. Yeah, this is packed very nicely with a polythene cover, and now we are opening this and we are keeping it aside. Just see, and then later we will see all the parts of it. See how it is looking like. It's very smooth surface, and one red color button is there. Of course, no glowing and nothing is there in that red color. It is simply showing purpose, and some buttons are also there. Of course, we no need to use those buttons also. Yeah, this stylish has come with this pack. So this is the writing pen, so we can use it as a pen on this pad. This is the data card given for us, so to simply connect to the computer. And this is the user manual, so it gives us how to use it and how to install this thing. And it has been provided 20 nibs and one nib removal also. It's very nice, you can see that also. This card shows how to install the software in the computer. By connecting that only we need to do the work. So you can see what items we have obtained. One is the gloves and driver download card, and 20 nips and one nib removal and one stylish, and of course the writing pad. So all these items we have obtained with this parcel. Of course, there is a cover for stylish also. So that cover is very important because the if the cover is not there, the nib may be spoiled. Yeah, this is the product manual. This product is a pen tablet and its model is A15. It is from White company. Its cost is 9,000, but we obtained it around 5,558 rupees only, because we have applied the actual price is 6,175 rupees, and we have applied the HDFC credit card. So 10 we have obtained the 10% discount. Thank you so much for Tirupati Raju Annaya. He made me to get the 10% discount. Thank you so much. And so these are the things. So driver download, and these are the specifications you can see here. So it is 10 by 6 inch graphic tablet, and the resolution and all these things are here, and the type C interface is there. So nowadays for each and every mobile, type C data cable is coming, so we can see this. So we can have interchangeably we can use with that data cable also. So this is the way of writing. So once you have touched the graphic tablet with the stylish, so the bulb will glow. And this is the gloves he has given to us because it is very sensitive, so our fingers should not touch the graphic tablet, so that's why he has given the gloves. Hi friends, so we can use White pen tablet or graphic tablet. So it's very convenient to use for the but we need to write here. Actually there is a mark here, see, you can see this mark, yeah, this mark. So from this mark you can write. Okay, similarly 4 sides 4 marks are there, small marks. Yeah, here also small mark is there. Yes, this mark, this type of mark, and that will give you the border. So up to that you can write. Okay, but the better thing is keep writing here and seeing there, so that it will be better for us to cope up with this. And see, I'm showing here. Yeah, you can use any of the whiteboards. Maybe some whiteboard is available in Google, I mean whiteboard is available in website also. So many whiteboards are available. So I am enjoying the paint here because we are very much comfortable with paint, so we can do easily with paint. So I am writing here, so you can see. Let me take any color, maybe the red color, orange. Let me take the red color here. Yeah, it was selected. Now I can write here. See how smoothly it can be written. Even it is very convenient for us. Yeah, we can, yes, this is paint only, so we can we have many of us have very good idea on paint, so we can do this. See how fast it will be writing. So there is no lag. That depends upon the computer. That means if the computer is very much busy, lag definitely comes. Okay, if it is not busy and if it is very much free in C drive, so that it will be very fast. So this is the thing in which in this way we can write these things very easily. So if you like this video, please like it and share it. And even my mother is also working very hard to give you very good videos on cooking, and some other unboxing also there. See how nicely it is writing. So it's very nice. So you can easily buy this one. Yeah, actually the price is 6,125 rupees after all discounts from Amazon, and after that we got 10% more discount from HDFC card, and so we finally obtained this for 5,058 rupees only. Okay, this price is available now also. You can just check up, and it is keep on changing the cards. So just check up if the card is available with you, you can go ahead with that, so that you can get this much amount only. And it is this tablet is very nice, as we have already seen that it has 10 feet and 6.25, I mean 10 inch and 6.25 inch, so it is very bigger, you can see. So we can write as smaller as possible. See, I am writing here small letters, you can observe. Very small letters also I can write, see. Okay, so in this manner we can make use of this for your online teaching and maybe for other purposes also. So thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you very much.